Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this captivating video, we shall unlock the secrets of indoor houseplants and explore the transformative power they hold. Whether you are an urban dweller or simply looking to bring nature indoors, get ready to discover a world of lush foliage, air purification, and soothing aesthetics. Let's embark on this green adventure together. Number 1. Benefits of houseplants. Houseplants have several benefits beyond the way they look, from improving air quality and reducing stress level to boosting productivity and promoting overall well-being. These leafy companions have a positive impact on our lives. Find out which plant types are best at cleaning the air inside and making a healthy environment for you and your family? Consider factors such as light conditions, temperature, and humidity level to ensure compatibility with your home. Explore low maintenance plants like pothos, snack plants, and ZZ plants for beginners, or challenge yourself with more demanding varieties such as orchids or fiddle-leaf. Find the perfect indoor house plants to suit your lifestyle. Number 2. Caring for indoor house plants. To keep your indoor house plants thriving, it's crucial to understand their specific care requirements. Learn about the importance of proper watering techniques, suitable potting mixes, and appropriate fertilization schedules. Discover the signs of common plant elements and how to remedy them effectively. With a little information and care, you can turn your own house into a green heaven that is full of life. Number 3. Styling with indoor houseplants. Indoor houseplants are lovely and provide unlimited decorating choices. Explore various ways to incorporate them into your space, from hanging planters and terrarium to plant shelves and vertical gardens. Discover the art of arranging plants in groupings or creating statement pieces with large, bold foliage. Let your creativity shine as you transform your living environment into an indoor paradise. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have unlocked the secrets of home plants and learned about all of their amazing benefits. By carefully choosing the right plants, taking the right precautions, and incorporating them into your indoor design, you can create a green indoor oasis that's ideal for your mind and body. Get ready for a trip based on going green and bring natural beauty to the interior of your home. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own indoor plant experiences in the comment section below. Happy gardening!